What if the only thing standing between your clubs and disaster is the wrong travel bag? It happens more often than you think. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm showcasing the best rated golf travel bags trusted by golfers everywhere. Check the links below and travel with protection you can finally rely on. The number 6 product on our list is ZEEMO Golf Bag. Ever realize how stressful traveling with your golf gear can feel until you finally find a bag that removes the fear of damage, delays, and messy packing? That moment of relief is exactly what this travel design delivers the second you unzip it. The story begins with its full open structure, a layout that instantly solves one of the biggest problems golfers face on the road, struggling to slide clubs in and out without fighting the bag. Here, everything opens wide and smooth, giving you that calm sense of control before a trip even starts. Then, the internal padding steps forward, wrapping the club heads in a protective cushion that feels reassuring compared to thinner travel covers in this category. The compression straps add another layer of peace, keeping everything secure so your setup doesn't rattle its way through airports. The upgraded fabric shifts the experience once more, offering the kind of durability and abrasion resistance that frequent travelers quietly hope for but rarely get, making it stand out among other highly rated travel options. The triple handle layout becomes the unexpected hero, making airport transfers, trunk loading, and hotel lobby navigation surprisingly effortless. Pros include sturdy material, smooth access, and impressive protection. The only drawback is that it's designed for standard cart bag sizing, so oversized bags may feel snug. After real trip testing, it shines for golfers who want protective, stress-free travel with thoughtful touches that make every journey feel smarter and smoother from departure to arrival. Soreness Rook. At number 5 is Findway Golf Bag. Ever notice how the stress of traveling with your clubs can overshadow the excitement of the trip itself? That tension disappears the moment this travel design shows its mix of strength, space, and calm, the kind of feeling golfers look for when choosing from highly rated travel options. The story begins with its semi-hard shell top, a detail that instantly solves the fear of crushing pressure during airline handling. Paired with the thick 1680D fabric, it brings that reassuring sense of protection many softer bags in this category simply can't deliver. As you explore the interior, the extra room shifts the experience again, giving your full cart setup the freedom to sit comfortably without forcing or squeezing. Compared with slimmer travel cases, this one offers a smoother packing flow that feels genuinely thoughtful. The ability to fold it down for storage adds a smart space-saving twist, especially for golfers tight on garage or closet space. The off-road wheels bring another moment of relief, gliding over airport floors and uneven paths with ease, something cheaper wheels tend to fail at. Pros include professional-grade materials, smooth maneuverability, and surprisingly easy storage. The only drawback is that its tougher build makes it slightly heavier than minimalist travel sleeve. After real use testing, this design shines for travelers who want dependable protection, smooth mobility, and a stylish, confidence-boosting presence that keeps their clubs safe from home to destination and back again. At number 4 is Partage Golf Bag. Ever notice how the excitement of a golf trip can fade the moment you start worrying about your club surviving airport handling? That tension disappears fast when you pick up this travel-ready design, built with the kind of durability and comfort travelers look for in highly rated golf cases. The first thing that hits you is the confidence of the heavy 900D fabric and thick protective padding, giving your gear that calm, reassuring layer weaker travel sleeves fail to provide. Then comes the moment you unzip it and see just how much space you're working with. The roomy layout feels intentional, letting a full set and all your accessories sit neatly without forcing anything in. Compared to compact travel bags, this bigger footprint actually brings more ease instead of bulk, especially with the side pockets designed for shoes, gloves, and all the extras golfers always end up bringing. The tank-style wheels shift the experience again, gliding across airport floors with a smoothness that instantly relieves the usual travel frustration. Pros include rugged materials, generous storage, and effortless mobility, while the only drawback is that its heavier construction isn't ideal for minimalist travelers. Still, after testing it in real travel scenarios, the blend of protection, stability, and thoughtful design makes it a smart pick for golfers who want peace of mind from the moment they leave home until their clubs roll out beside them at baggage claim, ready for the next round. The third one on our list is DAREKUKU Golf Bag. It's surprising how one travel bag can instantly change the way you feel about taking your clubs on the road. That shift happens the moment you lift this design and sense the strength of its heavy-duty build. giving the same calm reassurance golfers look for when choosing from highly rated travel options. The 900D Polyester doesn't just look tough, it feels like a shield, easing that common worry of dents, scuffs or sudden impacts during flights and long drives. Then the smoothness of the upgraded rubber wheels takes over, turning airport chaos into something almost effortless. Compared to bulkier hard cases, this one brings a lighter, more flexible style of protection without sacrificing stability, and that balance becomes obvious as soon as you start moving with it. Inside, the layout shows thoughtful intention. A dedicated shoe compartment, accessory space, and a card pocket create an organized flow that makes packing feel cleaner and more controlled. For travelers who hate digging around in cramped bags, this alone feels like a relief. Pros include durable material, easy rolling, and versatile carrying options, while the only con is that it may feel softer than fully rigid cases for golfers who want maximum armor, but after real-world use, the blend of comfort, protection, and smart storage makes it a strong pick for players who want a reliable travel companion that keeps their gear safe, steady, and ready for the next destination without adding unnecessary weight or stress. Number 2 is Himal Golf Bag. It's surprising how quickly travel stress fades when your gear is protected by something built with real intention. That feeling hits the moment you grab this design and notice the toughness of its 600D polyester shell, a material that brings the same reassuring strength people look for when choosing from highly rated travel options. It instantly solves that constant worry of clubs getting scuffed, squeezed, or rattled around during airline handling, giving your trip a sense of calm right from the start. Then the smooth rolling wheels step in, transforming long airport lines and parking lot treks into something surprisingly effortless. Compared to bulky hard cases, this one delivers a cleaner balance of flexibility and durability, making it ideal for golfers who want solid protection without carrying extra weight. The multiple zippered compartments add even more ease, letting you organize shoes, accessories, and essentials in a way that feels naturally efficient rather than cluttered. The padded interior and reinforced handles give a layer of comfort and control, especially when moving through busy terminals. Pros include lightweight handling, reliable materials, and thoughtful storage, while the only drawback is that it may feel softer than fully rigid cases for players who prefer maximum armor. But after testing it through real travel environments, the blend of protection, simplicity, and user-friendly design makes this a smart pick for golfers who want a dependable travel companion that keeps their equipment safe and their journey smooth, from home to the course and back again. Now moving to the last one is CaddyDaddy Golf Bag. It's surprising how much confidence you gain before a trip when your gear sits inside something built to take real punishment. That feeling hits fast with this design, especially when you realize the fabric is nearly 3 times thicker than what you find on most popular travel options. For golfers who worry about club heads getting crushed or bags shifting during flights, that extra padding brings a sense of relief you can actually feel the moment you zip it shut. Then the structure steps in. Internal and external cinch straps keep everything locked in place, solving the problem so many travelers face with equipment sliding around inside softer covers. Compared to lighter bags in this category, this one delivers a noticeably firmer hold, which translates into peace of mind on every bump, turn, or conveyor belt drop. The inline skate wheels make movement smooth and controlled, especially through long terminals where you just want travel to feel easy rather than exhausting. Story becomes another advantage. Oversized pockets give you room for shoes, balls, and layers, turning the bag into a full travel companion instead of a single-purpose case. Pros include exceptional padding, rugged fabric, strong handles, and secure organization. The only drawback is the slightly heavier feel compared to ultralight options, but that weight is exactly what gives it its protective edge. For golfers who want smart durability, steady handling, and a bag that feels built with intention, this option earns a confident recommendation as a trustworthy travel partner built to safeguard your gear trip after trip. So guys, this was the video about the best rated golf travel bags. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.